how to create a database from Cpanel, because so many people do not understand how to create a database from Cpanel. So I want to show you guys how to create a database from Cpanel. All right. Okay. So let's go. Now this is Cpanel. I'm already logged into my Cpanel. If you don't have a Cpanel, all you just have to do is to click in the link in the description, get a domain name, and then go to the domain provider, purchase a domain name, purchase a hosting, and go to your Cpanel. You'll be given a Cpanel like this. You just go there, access it. Now, on that Cpanel, now what I'm gonna do, I want to, what's it called right now? I want to create a database. So this is my Cpanel. So I'm going to search for database here. So now there's two ways to create database. You can create a database from MySQL database, or you can create it from MySQL database wizard. Now I prefer the wizard because it's actually just go through the 3 steps for you. This one has to go through more than 3 steps, but they are both the same thing. So I always prefer to use the database wizard. So it's your choice to use this. So that is it. Now give your database a name. It doesn't matter what you give your database. It doesn't matter. You so far you have it saved. Now I'm going to click on next step. So I'm going to use the same thing. Now the reason I like using the same thing is because it's easy to copy and use for whatever function I want to use the database for. Right? Now I'm going to use this as the password. Now using this as a password. Password must be at least 80, as you can see it's 100 over 100. Then I'm going to create user. Now I just created the database and I'm creating the user account, right? I don't want to save this. Now the next thing is to give it all privilege and you are good. So you see database creation is very easy. So as you can see, complete the task. So user, this is the user, this is the database. So I successfully created the user and the database. You understand? So thanks for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. That's how you create a database. And you can go ahead to your PHP admin to upload your MySQL file. So thanks for watching the video once again. See you on my next tutorial. Bye.